A major controversy has broken out in Pune after the demolition of the historic Hazrat Samsuddin Dargah in Bopadi. The issue created a tense inside the Pune Municipal Corporation meeting, with the opposition and ruling party corporators clashing over this matter. The opposition has accused the civic administration of demolishing a historical and religious structure without the proper discussion or notice. Here is a detailed report. Let's try to understand what happened during the GB meeting and recently today. There was a high drama inside the Pune Municipal Corporation today as the demolition of the Dargah in Bopadi became the main issue during the general body meeting that has been taken place today. The matter was raised by NCP Sharad Pawar faction corporator Ghaffur Pathan. As he spoke about the demolition, opposition leaders claimed that some BJP corporators behaved aggressively towards him. This led to shouting the arguments and a tense atmosphere inside the civic house. The Dargah is believed to be more than 150 years old. Local residents say it was not only a place of worship but also a symbol of Hindu-Muslim unity. The Dargah had also received Grade 1 heritage status from the Maharashtra government. According to the local citizens and the opposition leaders, the Dargah was not creating any problem for the metro project or road widening work in that particular area. Despite this, they claimed that Pune Municipal Corporation had demolished the Dargah and the structure without giving a clear answer or reason, without discussing with the people the matter or with the local representatives over there. The demolition has upset many people in the area and nearby areas. Residents have questioned why such a historical structure was removed without any notice that was given earlier. To protest against the demolition and the behavior inside the civic house, corporators from NCP, Congress and Shiv Sena UBT came together and started a protest near the statue of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar at the PMC headquarters. Leaders including Nilesh Nikam, Prashant Jagtap and other members of the party took part in the protest. They carried the placards with the messages such as "We want democracy, not mob the rule," and "Discussion should happen, not intimidation." The protest then moved inside the general body meeting. We have been seen as today the general body meeting has been taken place in PMC. In a unique protest, opposition corporators entered the civic house wearing helmets. They said that the helmets were a symbol of their concern of the safety of elected representatives and a protest against what they called aggressive behavior inside the house. The opposition called the incident a black day in the history of the Pune Municipal Corporation. They said corporators should be free to raise public issues without fear. NCP City President Shrikant Patil also submitted a letter to the civic administration demanding action those who try to intimidate Ghaffur Pathan. He criticized the public representatives who remained silent on the demolition of the historical Dargah. With protest, slogans, helmet demonstrations, and heated argument, the issue has now become a major political controversy in Pune. Questions are being raised about the demolition of the historical structure, the way the issue was handled, and the way the atmosphere inside the Pune Municipal Corporation was seen today. With camera person Ajay, I'm Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.